my God. My eye is starting to burn so much right now.
Oh, nee, gadver, nou haal het er vanaf.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Welcome back, people. It's so good to be back here. And before we start with today's video, I just want to say thank you to all the comments, all the kind messages, tweets, emails, all of it. I want to thank you for all the support on my last video. The day I'm filming this is a Sunday, and yesterday it was 2 weeks ago since Dylan and I got robbed at gunpoint in our own home. And it's so weird because time literally is flying by, but still it feels like you're stuck in time, but yet it's already also 14 days ago. So it's like this super weird feeling, but we see every day as a new day and every day as a small step or a big step towards healing. So thank you. All right, now I love the internet. We know this. I love the internet. The internet has brought me you, all of my glow babies. It has brought me most of my work. It has given me iconic memes to enjoy every day. But guess what? There's also a lot of shit happening on the internet. And I'm not just talking about the nasty, f***ed up, disgusting, vile, racist, homophobic, transphobic, and mean comments I get on a daily basis. You know, there's a lot of shit happening on the internet every single day. And as a creator, you have a choice. And my choice most of the time is just to rise above and be the better person. You know, don't worry about it too much. Don't give it too much attention. Don't talk about it too much. Just rise above and ignore. But you know what? Sometimes you wake up and you're like, okay, today's the day. Today is the day where I say this is not okay. Today, my glow babies, we are talking about brands that continue to break the law. Today we're talking about brands that continue to not listen to what's right. Brands that continue to use other creators' footage, including mine, to promote their product while we're not even using their product. I let a lot of people get away with a lot of shit because I believe in karma and I believe in the universe pulling through and doing the right thing. But sometimes you gotta help a bit. For the last couple of years, I've been getting tweets, messages, emails, all concerning ads on Facebook that use my footage to promote the wrong product. One example is a website called Kappa Swagger. Kappa Swagger. And they are promoting Miss Rose products. And what they're promoting is a setting spray. And what they did is grab my video where I test makeup underwater to see how well it will last. And they're saying that I use their setting spray, but in reality, to seal the freaking deal, it is time for setting spray. And I'm gonna take the most hardcore one that I know of, Huda Beauty Boss Face. I did not. Now, I have reached out to all of these websites, all of these Facebook pages that continue to falsely advertise using my footage, and guess what? We got no response. Which, you know, is so strange to me because if your return policy is this good, you'd think they'd have the balls to respond, right? And correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that some of these brands also do paid promotions on Facebook for people to actually see this fake commercial. They're boosting money into fake advertisement. What is this? And now I have one thing to ask from all of you. If you run into these fake ads, if you run into these fake websites that promote their products, falsely using my footage, I want you to email them. I want you to report them. I want you to help me where you can. Leave a comment saying that this is not right. Leave a comment saying that they do not own that footage and that they're promoting not the product that I was using in my original video. I think us as a Glow Baby family can really do the right thing here. Because I do want to add that if you ever see my face popping up in a website ad, please check my own channel, so my Instagram, my TikTok, my YouTube channel, to see if I'm actually using that product that they're promoting. Because very rarely, you hear that? Very rarely. I do pay promotions, I do ads, I do, sponsored content, and sometimes the brand and I discuss if they can use my footage for more advertisement. But if you see a brand that has never been on my channel, you have seen the original video, and you see that I'm not using their products, it is time to do the work. All right, so after quite the speech, guess what came in? So the #1 fake ad I've seen is by Fura. This is a soft matte longwear liquid foundation with a full coverage. It is designed in the USA, but made in China. They took original footage and said that I was using this. Now, I ordered 3 colors. And you know what? After all this time of seeing this fake ad where a lot of influencers are being used, not just myself, I see so many, even on the website, I see so many people that I know for a fact did not use this foundation. There's all these before and afters that probably use different products. It is not okay. I can't believe I'm saying this. I can't believe I'm doing this. I ordered the Fura foundations. I ordered 3 colors, and let's see how these products actually look on the skin, how they work on the skin. Are they even comparable to my original footage? Let's see what this fake bullshit is all about. All right, so this is what the foundation looks like. I ordered 3 colors, and when I ordered it, it arrived like this. The box is all messed up. This is a mess. This is not professional, it's a mess. Fura foundation is lightweight and bendable. Bendable? Ma'am. Originally made for film and television to use, it feels natural, exactly like your skin. Fura foundation hides redness, tattoos, pimples, anything, you name it. It's an oil-free and silicone-free formula that gives you flawless full coverage with a lightweight serum-like feel. Waterproof, hypoallergenic, full coverage. Okay. Now this bad boy originally retails for $34, but there's a sale. There's always a magical sale going on these websites. It's now $16.95, good price. The shade range consists of 10 colors, just 10 measly shades. Fenty Beauty family, get them. Before I do anything, before this gets in any contact with my skin, I want to apply a little barrier between my skin and the foundation. So I'm gonna prime heavily. Okay, primer #1. Oh, primer #2. Okay, here we go. I have 3 shades of the foundation, and I think the closest match is 102 Nude. Oh, she's thick. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of 101 Porcelain. Oh my God. Oh, this smells like clay out of a factory. So she's a very thick consistency. The color runs very pinkish. Am I actually gonna put this on my skin? Oh, it smells like that old school kid makeup that smells like factory and a bad dream. It smells like Play-Doh, I'm not kidding. Oh, am I really doing this? Okay, here goes nothing. I'm taking my sponge, I'm picking up the product. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, this smells so bad. Okay, I'm stamping it into the skin. I cannot get over this scent. Okay, so when I look at the coverage, it actually looks really pretty on the skin, but it's very, very pink. Do you see how pink that looks? I'm gonna pick up a little bit more. Other side of the face. Oh, that scent is just really bothering me. Real talk, if I look at my skin, it looks very nice. It has a beautiful sort of like soft sheen to it. I think the only thing that's really throwing me off right now is the color because it's way too pink, but coverage-wise, it's really pretty. There is one thing though, it's kind of giving me a tingling sensation. And last time I checked, a tingling sensation when putting on foundation is a no. But we'll see where this goes. It by no means has the same amount of coverage as the original foundation that I used in the ad. It is giving me a pretty flawless base over here. There's nothing to be said about that. If this was a different brand, I would have been a fan. But the fact that they use false advertisement to get customers and to get that money, honey, no. I'm not kidding. The left side of my face is like burning a little bit. Like right here, I feel like this tingling, like warming sensation. I'm scared. Okay, now it's time for concealer. We're just gonna burst through. Today I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24 Hour in 2.2. This is burning. This is going underneath the eyes. And this is very yellow to hopefully balance the pink of the foundation a bit more. I'm not kidding, it's starting to burn so much, but just on the left side of my face, what is happening? Oh, I can't get rid of that smell. Oh my God. My eye is starting to burn so much right now. This is so scary to me. Okay. I mean, I've had weirder things on my face. Oh my God, my face is burning so much.
Hey, hi, hallo.
Hey, hi, hallo. Bes?
Ja.
Als het brandt op de huid, zeg jij dan haal het eraf of ga door?
Die foundation.
Ja.
Huh?
Het wordt helemaal warm.
Oh? Nee,
Ja.
haal dat eraf. Zeker als het op je gezicht zit, haal dat eraf.
Toch?
Ja.
Ik weet niet wat ik meemaak. Het wordt helemaal... Het ruikt naar klei, naar Play-Doh klei.
Ja.
Maar het wordt op een gegeven moment... Heel mijn linkerkant is gewoon warm aan het worden.
Oh, nee. Gadver, nou haal het er vanaf.
Wat erg. Ik ga het eraf halen.
Oké, doei.
I just called my manager and he's like, no, take it off right away. We have some very important days coming up. We're still trying to make 2020. I will continue talking in a little bit. I need to take this off. Be right back. Oh my God. Okay, so I just took it off. I did some double cleansing, double toning, extra lots of moisturizer to make sure that my skin doesn't react too badly to whatever just happened. It made me reach back to the box and there are ingredients listed here. It's a very good thing. It actually makes me really happy to see the ingredients on the box. Now, I don't know what ingredient made me burn like that. I've never experienced that in my life before. And definitely, if you end up trying this foundation and your skin starts burning, take it off. You know what? I think the moral of the story is the foundation looked really nice on the skin. I'm pretty sure not everyone is gonna have this burning sensation. I would even go as far as saying that the foundation is a really nice match when it comes to coverage. What I'm looking for in a full coverage foundation, this foundation has. So it makes me wonder, if you have a good foundation that has beautiful coverage, it has a nice sheen, why as a company do you not trust your products enough to advertise your product instead of using footage from other creators that use different products instead? I cannot wrap my head around it. I do not understand how a company sits there and goes, well, we're gonna steal all this footage, we're gonna act like all these creators used our products, and then we're gonna pay money to get this ad everywhere. I will not and I cannot understand why. So my last and final question of this video is, if you see these fake ads, talk to the brand. Comment, send them an email, let them know that this is not okay, because the product in itself is pretty damn good and they're probably gonna steal me saying that to promote some more. So I am really, really careful with my words here. Under no circumstance should a company or a brand ever be able to steal your footage and use it for false advertisement. It is illegal and it should not be accepted. So I think the only fitting Dutch word of the day for today's video would have to be fake. Nep. Nep. Nep? The advertisement for this foundation is nep. You know what, guys? 2020 still is not over. And I know my life has been a very up and down situation this year, but I am still convinced that we can make the most out of this year. And like I said in my previous video, life can be so disappointing, but it is up to us to fight for it every single second of the day to make it better. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to comment the Dutch word of the day down below so maybe you get featured in the next one. And hopefully I will see you guys next week.